I'm sure that by now you're bombarded with the news media talking about a recession, volatility, inflation, and all these are words that scare a lot of people. But as an entrepreneur, I want to give you 5 things that you must do if you want to thrive, not just survive during a recession or during times of volatility in the economy. Listen, if you follow these 5 things, regardless of the state of the economy, I don't care where you are on this planet, these are 5 things that you follow these, you will thrive in any economy around the world. See, the news media responsibility is to put fear in you. Their responsibility is to get you nervous. Their responsibility, what they want to do, is to get you be so afraid and so fearful. But I want you to know something. For those of you that are entrepreneurs, listen, you were born for seasons like this. You were created for times like this. So here are the 5 things that you must do to thrive, not just survive during a recession or any economic volatility. The first thing you must do is identify new emerging trends and opportunities. Listen, the recession always creates new opportunity. Now, it creates new opportunity for some and create challenges for others. It depends on how you look at it. There's some people right now that they will look at this recession and go, oh my goodness, I'm so stressed. I just lost my job. I don't have any income. I don't have this. They will complain and complain. Don't be that person. Don't be the person that complains. Don't be the person that see the negative side of everything. Don't be the person that just sit there and just waiting and hoping for the government to come and save them. Don't be the person that is always waiting for the handout. Don't be the person that is always trying to find a way to scam other people. Listen, as an entrepreneur, this is the best time for your light to shine. This is the perfect opportunity for you to seize the moment. You have to look at trends. Look at what's going on in your industry. Look at what people are doing. You can find things that they need. There is always going to be a gap during a recession that needs to be filled. You take COVID, for example. When COVID happened, a lot of companies needed deliveries. So that was a perfect opportunity for those that had the entrepreneur hat on to say, you know what? I'm not going to look at the lockdown. I'm not going to look at the negative side of things, but I'm going to create an opportunity during this time. So if you're an entrepreneur, if you're a real entrepreneur, if you were born to be an entrepreneur or you've become an entrepreneur by situation, listen, this is the best time for you to shine. This is your time for you to come up with ideas. Listen, if you have 10 ideas, if you got 15 ideas, you better put them out there and see whatever sticks. I'm telling you, come up with 5 ideas. Look at the trends. I want you to come up with 5 different ideas based on the trends that you see. And when you come up with those, just begin to test them out. Don't wait to get everything perfect. See, the mistake that a lot of people make is this: when they have ideas and they see something that could work, they want to just tell everybody about their business. Don't do that. You come up with those ideas and you test them out. Test the waters out. Do not be afraid. When you look at entrepreneurs that succeed during economic volatility, right? They try things out. Sometimes they try one business, this don't work out, do something else. They try something. The key about it is this: you have to keep trying. You got to keep pushing. You got to keep going. If one idea don't work, don't give up hope. Don't break down. Don't call it quits. Try something else. If that don't work, try something else, because you were born as an entrepreneur to do this. You were born. Let me tell you something. Whether you became an entrepreneur by happenstance or like myself, you just have that in your blood, you got this. So again, the number one thing to do, I want you to find the trends in your industry, find the trends in your city, look for new opportunities, because recession will always create opportunities for entrepreneurs like you and me. You just got to look for them. Don't give up. Innovate and differentiate your product or service from others. You got to be different. One of the biggest mistakes that I see a lot of entrepreneurs make during the recession, they're trying to be copycats. They're trying to copy everybody else, what everybody. No, you can't do that, man. Stop copying what other people are doing and be different. Maybe it's the way that you dress is different. The way that you speak is different. You got to find your niche. You have to find a way that you want to be different from everybody else. Maybe your pricing is different. Take, for example, for me, I just launched a membership website that charges people $10,000 a month. Now, for a lot of people like, Mathew, are you crazy? Why would you charge $10,000 a month for a membership website during the recession? Trust me, there are businesses out there that opportunity is just open. They are looking for exactly what I'm offering. So I'm saying to you is this: be different about what you offer. If someone else is offering the same thing as you, be creative about it. Come up with ideas. Listen, you got this, man. I see so many people, they're copying what other people are doing. You will not attract people or the quality of people that you need by copying someone else. Be different about your approach. Maybe it's the way that you speak. Maybe it's your delivery. Maybe it's how you look, how you smile. Once you do that, you're going to be different, and people are attracted to what's unique. People want something that's different. They're tired of the norm. They're tired of the same speech over and over again. You got to do something different. Use effective marketing and branding strategies. Now, most people have no clue what marketing is and what branding is. I see so many people, they just post content on their social media platform and they think that's marketing. No, that's not marketing. That's not branding. Marketing is your ability to tell a story. Marketing is your ability to connect with your audience. Marketing is your ability to get people to see things in the perspective or from ways that they've never seen things before. Marketing is when you lay things out in a way that people are compelled to move, whether it's by creating videos about what's going on in your personal life. That can be a marketing strategy. See, people will connect with you first before they connect with your business. They will connect with you as a person first before they connect with any idea or product or service that you're offering. So I want you to do this. Learn about branding. Go online, do some research. What is branding? What is marketing? How can I apply that to my business? Simply just posting, just quick videos and just posting stuff, and you call that marketing? No, because people want to connect with you. They want to know what's going on with you. Now, of course, you don't have to share every detail about your life, but let me tell you something. When you begin to connect with your audience at a different level, they will just eat up the content that you produce. Trust me, they will eat it up because they know that you're real. People they can tell when you're being fake and when you're being real. Eventually, if you're being fake, it's gonna come out. Eventually, when you're not being realistic, when you're not being honest, it will come out. Leverage technology and automation. You want to be able to automate parts of your business, right? So for one thing you can automate is your emails. Right? Your email campaigns. So instead of you sitting there writing emails, every day, post them every week or, stuff like that, you can sit down and you can create a schedule for your emails that for the next 2 weeks, for the next month, whatever time frame that you send your emails, right? You can create the content for, and you can automate that process. You don't have to sit there and write your email every time that you want to send it out. As a matter of fact, I've worked with companies and brands that they create emails 2 or 3 months in advance. They already know for the year what they want to send out to their customers, what they want to send out to new prospects. And one of the mistakes that a lot of entrepreneurs make is that they start creating emails a week before they start sending it out. Now, you can do that, but the point that I'm making is this: you have to have a clear game plan, right? Think through what you want to communicate with your audience for the next month. So instead of you having to send an email every week, you can use the automation tool. When you automate your emails every week, every 2 weeks, every quarter, whatever frequency that you want to set, you can set that. The same thing too with your videos. You have to learn the power of automation. You can take a day, take 2 days, and just create a bunch of videos and just automate those. So you're not once a week, right? If you have a goal to create a new video for whether it's for YouTube or any other platform or your own personal website every week, you don't have to create the video and then upload it. Just take 2 days, just take a weekend and say, you know what? This next week, I am going to create 3 videos or 4 videos for the month, and you're done. And once you create those videos, you take some time to edit them, and then you just automate them. So every week a new video comes out, and people think that, wow, you just creating this now. No, you took some time, you plan things out, and you automating things. It makes life so much easier for you. Trust me. Invest in your team and cultivate a strong company's culture. This is the best time for you to invest in your team. When the recession is happening, people's hopes are down. They're just discouraged. They're not sure what to do. Listen, if you are a leader, if you are a supervisor, if you have 1, 2, 3, it doesn't matter the number of people on your team. During a recession, it's the best time to invest in them, because during that time, they're going to be looking to you for leadership. They're going to be looking to you for guidance. They're going to be looking to you for clarity. So you have to make sure that you're taking time to build that relationship with your team so they can trust you. Listen, your team's ability to trust you is going to be tested during a recession, because I know that as a leader, as an entrepreneur, whether you're a one-man team or you got a whole lot of people in your team, you're trying to figure things out. Listen, they're going to look up to you, right? So if you're a one-man team, you got to up your game. You really got to up your game. If you are a one-man team, you got to take things to a different level. If you like this content, make sure to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, so anytime that a new video come up, you're the first one to get it. I look forward to connecting with you again.